In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can quickly further format your spreadsheet. The next thing we need to do is add a title. To do that, I'm going to have to add another row. So right click and select Insert, and I get a new row. And then I'm just going to highlight those cells and make those cells the same color as the rest of my border. Right, next thing I want to do is add a title to these selected cells here. Now, if I try and write into this cell here, the title will only appear there. I want my title to actually span over those 10 cells. Now, to do that, I need to merge those cells together. To merge cells, you just highlight the ones you want to merge, right click, select Format Cells. When you do it for the first time, it will probably go to Number, so you just select Alignment at the top and Merge Cells. You can also select text alignment at this point, so I want my title to appear in the center, both horizontally and vertically. I just click OK. And if I double click into this one big cell now, I can add a title. And you can highlight and format the text just like you would do in a Word document. Next, I want to format the headings or the questions for my data, because at the moment the questions, they almost kind of blend in with the data itself, so we need to make them stand out a little bit. Now, to do that, I'm going to highlight all of the questions. I'm then going to right click and select Format Cells, and I'm going to make sure that again the text is all in the center vertically and horizontally, and click OK. I'm also going to change the font slightly to keep it consistent with my title, and I'm going to increase the size slightly. Move that one out a little bit. Next, I'm just going to add a grid to the data to again make it a little bit more easier to read. So I'm just going to highlight all of the data and use the border tool at the top and select the one that looks like a window. Once you have a border, we can then actually think about aligning the data up so it's a bit easier to read. So I'm going to highlight all of the data. Notice I haven't highlighted the questions this time, and I'm just going to select the center tool. So I can now clearly see which data set belongs to which question.